totally
Oh.
Look, this is
Oh.
Look.
Nah.
Oh my
Yo,
god.
they just Yo, they literally just destroyed their boat.
Oh my god.
Thank God it wasn't strong enough to destroy the bridge, because that would have been it.
Not to watch it crash into the Brooklyn Bridge. It's totally crashing. Look.
Yo! These niggas did not stop partying though. These niggas did not stop partying. Holy shit. Oh my god, that's unbelievable. Yo, that is so unbelievable that they just let that happen. Actually, this guy said, was this a it was lit up the bridge, should have Yo, like, I'm not gonna lie, if I was there, I'm not gonna lie, the Mexicans can party, but they didn't need to do all that shit.